Grab Yugas from TikTok. Dallas, Texas. Alright, that's it. Alright, Limpy, you have a good night. We got Limpy in the chat, leave in the chat, y'all. Look out. Look out, look out. Up. He got off the gas. He didn't jump now. Right lane just didn't go. Got my TikTokers in the building, y'all. Uh-oh. Here come a good race for y'all to bet on. Hey! Let's get them likes up over there on YouTube, y'all. It's a whole bunch of y'all watching and still live. I don't even know how many people watching live. AMG right here in the right line.
Run on the race.
Oh, this is good. Let me see what Funky Town betting at. He might think it's a setup. Excuse me.
Hey, I got this side, man.
Okay, he got this side.
They knocked the doors off that bitch.
Oh, yeah?
They knocked all the shit off.
Damn, they bet. I probably can get a bet then. Hey, man. Let me see if he think he gonna get him.
He said he was gonna give me the back tire, so we'll see if he's a man of his word.
Fucking up.
Oh, yeah. Okay, he getting the back tire over here, y'all. For my people watching on TikTok, y'all. Oh, no, he ain't gonna be able to recover if he take off like that. That ain't gonna get it. Let me see. Hey, Funky Town. Where he go?
Trying to get a bed in.
Oh, he getting them bits in? Damn, look at him up there, y'all. He don't know he getting the back tire. Huh? He getting the back tire. Funky Town don't know. Funky Town! Look at him. Hurry up! Hey! Funky Town! Look. He getting the back tire. He getting the back tire. Hold on, let me see.
Come back.
Okay, hold on.
Slowly. Slow. Hey, don't mess with him, JoJo. Right there.
Left on him. He left on him. Yeah, he cut that.
He spit because he had the back tire. He got out of that spin zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, he spit. If he'd have been staying up first, he would have. He got me. He spit the tire.
Hey. Okay, Macy Ferguson. We got a new subscriber in the building, y'all. Macy Ferguson. He said, great job, y'all. Uh-oh. This thing won't stay running. Nah, some money, Carlo. For my people watching, look out. Come on over here. Get over here. Oh shit, I heard that yayo over there.